Congratulations are in order because babe just graduated. Yay! This is so exciting, and obviously we need to celebrate. So I'm partnering with Walmart to throw her a summer soiree. I love the word soiree. It feels so fancy, and we're gonna make it happen. So babe said, a bachelor's degree is not enough. So she went and got a master's, a PhD, and an MD. And I could not be more proud. And I thought to myself, how can we celebrate? Well, only in a very unique Kiva fashion. We're going to have a summer soiree that is olive themed because olives are her favorite food. So I was, scouring the internet, trying to find something olive themed because this is kind of niche, right? And I found these olive plates on Walmart and I was like, oh, I spiraled in the best possible way. So first, let me do a little haul of everything that I picked up from Walmart. I chose Walmart because they're one of my go-to destinations for summer items. Everything is chic, unique. They're not things you've seen before, but they're also practical. So hear that? This is not going to break. You can use this outside. You can put it in the dishwasher. This is livable and it's also just so cute. So let me give you a little breakdown and I'm gonna show you my mood board and then we're gonna bring it to life. So obviously the theme is olives. So they have this set. They're melamine, which means they are not going to break, right? You have the dinner plates, salad plates, and bowls. I mean, perfect for the theme, right? I also have some olive trees. I recently just did the back deck in our building. So I said, okay, let me take it to the next level. Then I also picked up a fun tablecloth because we're gonna do this outside. So I'm gonna put down a rug and I'm gonna use some recycled boxes to make a little tabletop and we're gonna dine outdoors and make it chic and cute. I also picked up this vase to put, obviously, some olive branches in for the theme. I'm one of those people where I like to take a theme incredibly literally. And then obviously I got some lanterns. The My Texas House collection has these new lanterns. So I got lanterns, LED lights. Obviously you guys know I have tons of LED lights. And then I had the idea, okay, let me just order all of the food from Walmart. So I picked up feta, I picked up olives, I picked up grapes. So I'm gonna make a really nice spread and put everything on this tray. And then I am going to use some citrus that I ordered and some fresh flowers that I also ordered from Walmart to make like a fun little floral tablescape sort of vibe because summer is here and we kind of need to celebrate. Now, if I haven't convinced you that Walmart is the place to be shopping this summer, I hope that I'm able to. I know a lot of people think Walmart and they just think groceries, but Walmart is so much more than groceries. When I'm looking for something that looks elevated and is chic, but is affordable and also just unique, I'm gonna go to Walmart. I mean, think about it. Where have you seen a plate that's like so chic like this and then it's livable? I also love that Walmart caters to so many different interior design styles. So this is a little bit more transitional, Mediterranean inspired. This is Better Homes and Gardens. My Texas House is definitely more modern traditional. So we have the rattan. They even have a beautiful collection by Drew Barrymore that's very much so mid-century modern. So no matter what your interior design style is, Walmart has that for you. And I love that because it can be a one-stop shop for all things home. Generally, I'm left feeling like, oh my gosh, you can get that from Walmart. And that is totally the case. So if you are entertaining this summer like I am, if you just want to slow down, make some memories, and actually enjoy being outside, which is something that many of us forget to do, host a small party like this. I hope you walk away from today's video with a little bit of inspiration, and I encourage you to pick up all of your items from Walmart because they're so affordable and the quality is amazing. To shop any of the products I share in today's video, click the links down in my description box or check out my Walmart creator storefront. I have tons of lists showing you the things I love when it comes to fashion, beauty, the home for the summertime and beyond. So I make shopping really easy for you, and I also make style guides in case you're actively decorating your home. You can also shop all of the products that I share on walmart.com and in the Walmart app. So I knew I wanted to have a really fun olive-based centerpiece. So I started by grabbing some feta and cutting it into little blocks. And then I wanted to do a nice little checkerboard design. Now, I will say I got blackberries and olives for this because I wanted there to be a little bit more color than just the olives. And something else you can do to take this to the next level is add a little bit of dill or something. But I didn't get any because I don't actually really like dill. But I did the blackberries and then I actually forgot that it was an olive theme party. So I did it all with blackberries and then I was like, oh wait, the olives. So I ran it back and switched them out. Okay, I just finished this and I think this looks so cute. It's kind of like the story of the show. We had the blackberries and the olives. Now I'm gonna do some of the decor. And then in terms of actual food, I made crab cakes, French fries, and then we're gonna do arugula salad. So this is the appetizer. Now it's time for the centerpieces. Of course I could use vases, but I really wanted to do something that felt summery. And I think one of the best ways to do that is to use citrus because I was also gonna make some lemonade. So I just took some flowers and I put them in the center of the lemons, and then I just cut the bottoms of the lemons so that they would stand upright. And I got these mega lemons from Walmart, and I think they looked really, really fantastic. And I felt like a little bit went a long way here. Then I set up my lanterns, and then I took my remaining lemons and just put taper candles in them to use them as kind of candle holders, even though I wasn't planning to light those candles. So this is the outdoor space that I have in my building. I was gonna use recycling to like do a makeshift table. Someone took out the recycling, which I love. Reduce, reuse, recycle. So I think we'll just do like a little picnic on the ground. So I'm gonna put down a rug, and we're gonna use these really beautiful cushions from the My Texas House collection as like seat cushions in case someone wants a little bit of support. But I'm gonna go get a rug. I have a really fun rug that I think is gonna be really great as like the backdrop, because it gives like, it doesn't give Mediterranean, but in my head it does because it has like a jute material, but I'll bring it out and show you. For this, I used the My Texas House Isla Outdoor Area Rug, which is $87 in this size. I thought it was a really great backdrop and kind of set the Mediterranean tone for this party. I also feel like having a picnic directly on the floor just isn't a vibe. Then I put down this poof that I got for another project and decided to use it as kind of like a coffee table to bolster the entire setup. Now that I'm out here, I feel like having this as a centerpiece just doesn't give me enough space for all my pretty decor. So I'm gonna move this over here, have there be a centerpiece down here. Now, initially I thought I wanted to arrange everything on that ottoman, but I do feel like it was kind of stealing the show, and there wasn't going to be space for my platter. And then also everything kept flying away because it's been so windy here in Pittsburgh. So I started setting up my table settings. I think these olive plates are so decorative that I don't need too much, which is always the goal because I hate having to buy so much party supplies that I never end up using again. But these plates I'm going to be able to use all summer long, and I think all of my guests are going to be really, really impressed with them. Now, I'm a firm believer in the idea that you don't need more decor, you just need more fruit and candles. So I'm adding these candles, massive LED pillar candles. And then of course I picked up some silverware from Walmart. It's a nice Better Homes and Gardens stainless steel. So next I added some grapes and the remaining flowers just to zhuzh up the arrangement, and then I got my centerpiece, I put it on the coffee table, and then I grabbed some pillows, some My Texas House and Better Homes and Garden pillows, and some olive trees that I had from a prior project I did with Walmart, so stay tuned to see that video just to really hammer in the theme. I think it's finished, so I'm gonna get Babe and see what she thinks. Since the party's for her, she just put the baby to sleep, and I think she's coming down the hall. I am so nervous. I hope she likes it. Come out. Okay.
Oh my God, it looks so good.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Oh, you did this for me.
Of course they did. Congratulations.
This is so cute. I love the olives.
Ew. Fun fact, I actually hate olives, which is why this is really an act of love. But now it's time to celebrate. So if you want to put together an olive themed soiree or any affordable high-end looking party this summer, be sure to pick everything up on walmart.com or using the Walmart app. And I put together all the products I used in today's video on my Walmart creator storefront, and you can also click the links down in my description box. Until next time, have a beautiful day.